Good morning to everyone. Today we are going to discuss about digital signal processor in digital signal processing subject unit 4. Here we have to see about the syllabus, DSP functionalities, circuit buffering, DSP architecture and fixed point and floating point principle, programming and application example. These are all the topic we covered in unit number 4. Basically we have to study about that architecture. It is some special type of architecture. In general we have a broad category. It is two type of broad category. One is in general purpose and one more is in special purpose. And fixed point devices such as Texas Instrument TMS 320C54X series and Motorola DSP 563X processor and floating point processors such as Texas Instrument 320C4X and analog devices. Here these are all some of the processor we have a broader category, two category, general purpose and a special purpose. In the general purpose and the special purpose we have considered a fixed point representation and a floating point representation. Fixed point means 320C54X and floating point representation processor means TMS 32C4X processors. Special purpose hardware are divided into two categories. One is an special purpose hardware is sometimes called an algorithm specific digital signal processor. Here we have to concentrate the algorithm for specific applications. It means that hardware designed for efficient execution of specific DSP algorithm such as digital filter, Fourier transform. This is what hardware designed for a specific DSP algorithm. And another type of hardware is sometimes called as application specific. It is an telecommunication signal, it's digital audio and control applications or under the application specific digital signal processing. In most of the digital signal and application processing execute a specific algorithm such as PCM and decoding, but it also required to perform the other application specific operations also. It is an Intel multi-channel telephony voice echo canceller and FFT processor and programmable FER filter design. In general and special purpose processor can be designed with a single chip with an individual block of multiplier, ALU and so on. First we discuss about the architectural features of digital signal processors that have made a real-time DSP in many applications, many possible applications. Here this is in general or standard architecture of the processor. We have a ALU, accumulator, multiplier and program and data memory. Depends on the program memory and data memory, we have to differentiate the architecture, and address bus is also here and IO devices is there. It is an comes under in the general simplified architecture of microprocessor. Here we have a generic hardware architecture of digital signal processing. Here separate ALE unit is there. In that ALE unit we are having accumulator, multiplier, shifter. These are all the similar to the common microprocessor. Here we have a separate memory unit. It is for data memory and for program memory. This is a special features of our DSP processor. Now, we have the particular following techniques is also we have to use in DSP operations. One is an pipelining method and special instruction dedicated to DSP, on-chip memory, it is in cache memory, and extended parallelism, SIMD and VLIW architectures. Thank you.